I was driving the other day and my hood like completely flung up. Oh, I kind of made a mistake. Yeah, we folded this whole thing up. It's terrible. I'm gonna try to fix it, I think. Yeah, I think. What's up? So it's currently 10:30 right now. Behind us is Didi, our 2007 Toyota Yaris. And we've opened up like 4 tabs on it. We really need to work on the drum brakes, and I want to, make like a nice video about that or whatever. I decided to work on the bumper instead yesterday because, we're gonna fix this destroyed bumper on our front end. So recently we were in a front end collision, and like they hit us from the side, it like twisted the car or whatever. So we've been trying to fix it. So what we're gonna do instead of working on the drum brakes is we're gonna take a bunch of stuff apart. I have these blinkers I need to put on the car anyways, so we're also gonna take off the fenders, and yeah, we're just gonna try to get after it and do as much other things as we can do so we don't have to do the brakes. Or I guess future us has to do the brakes. We should probably do the brakes. This is why we can't have nice things. So yesterday I was driving and the hood came like flying up. Luckily I wasn't on the highway yet, but you can see here it like gouged this. Oh, I didn't mean to break that. But yeah, this came up, and so when I closed it, I slammed this, and it, because when you try to close it now, it gets caught on this. You see, it's gonna get caught here, and then it gets caught up here, and now it's like super hard to even pull up because it's caught there. Okay, I may have gotten carried away taking stuff apart. So now we have that whole piece off. This is folded, whereas here it's not, and obviously missing the piece too. We can tell how bent this is now. So maybe actually if we take this off, we can line it up. Same with this one. It's like cocked that way. Look at this way. It's like this way. It should be that way, I think. But yeah, then if these line up, it should clear this gap and not hit the headlight. It's expensive headlights we just destroyed. And then, oh yeah, it's cracked, huh? Oh no, it's not cracked. Thank goodness. Yeah, so basically we need the hood to kind of like clear this. So we're gonna have to still push this back some. I think we can kind of get it a bit more lined up, at least to where the hood won't just like fling up on its own. Been making some progress on the bumper, but that's another video. And then we're just gonna keep looking. We're probably gonna end up taking off the headlights and the fenders as well, because we're gonna replace these. Also, it might help us like figure out how to align it better. I don't know. Well, it's afternoon now, and we're just getting this panel off. Okay, so now we have access to these guys. So I don't know that we should take it off anymore. I feel like we should just try to bend it from here now, because this actually looks pretty straight. This is probably how it's supposed to be. Although there's some cracking there, so I don't know. This seems better. Like it's not hitting this anymore. I think it's lined up. It does seem like it still has some of this way, so I'm gonna try to bend it maybe a little bit more so it's flush. Well, we broke this, goes there, but in good news, this clears again. But we'll see when we put it all back together. Oh yeah! So we managed to get the driver's side done. We ripped out that wheel liner that was cut. We had cut that like forever ago. We have new wheel liner, so eventually we'll set that up, but not today. We put on our sick LED. So we're gonna work on the right side now. Okay, you can really see how far off this is. So this really needs to get bent over quite a bit. And like this way too. After some bending of the metal with this thing and that thing, it seems like we're lined up, not hitting anything anymore. Looks like it's in the right spot. And then I line these up. See, before this was hitting here, see how it's all chewed up. So the goal is to clear both of these points. Yeah, you can tell how much more warped this one is. Like, it's way gapped off here. But it doesn't matter, you know, it's not lining up anymore. But it's fine because now this is lining up. Okay, we're clearing now here, but that also means that this is way off, so I don't know. We'll keep working on it. At least we got this in.